If you thought TikTok was just for dancing, lip syncing, and cats jumping into boxes, you're already late to the party. Gen Z has turned TikTok into one of the fastest growing online stores in the world. Here's how to take advantage of it to make money online. Step 1. Understand the business model. The way this works starts with a product, and that product has to live and breathe on video. TikTok Shop doesn't let you sell digital downloads, courses, or PDFs. You need a physical product that someone can touch, ship, and show. The most important thing is that you can actually demonstrate it in a video in just a few seconds. That's why the platform pushes what people call TikTok shoppable products. If it's boring on camera, it's boring in the shop. You don't want something like a plain fork or a notebook because nobody impulsively buys those. You want products that surprise people, make them laugh, or solve a problem in a way that's obvious the moment you show it. That one feature that makes someone say, "Hold on, I need that," is the spark you're looking for. Step 2. Pick a product. You can find these interesting products without spending on expensive research tools. TikTok itself is your free laboratory. Look at what's trending on hashtags like TikTok made me buy it. Scroll through videos with millions of views where people show quirky gadgets or clever beauty items. You can also use Google Trends to see what's spiking in searches. If people are already searching, it's easier to sell. What you're aiming for is not just any product, but one with a twist that makes it fun to show in motion. Once you've decided on a product, move to the next step. Step 3. Set up your TikTok shop. You don't set up your TikTok shop from the app. You go to business.tiktokshop.com, click Get Started, choose Seller, and sign up. You'll enter your business info, email, phone, and a website if you have one. If you're in the United States, TikTok wants you to have an LLC. That's different from a casual side hustle on other platforms. It's their way of saying they want real sellers, not random resellers who disappear after one order. Setting up an LLC might sound complicated, but it's not. It's worth getting it done right because TikTok checks it, and once you're approved, you're fully in. Step 4. Add products to your shop. In Seller Center, you'll see a products section where you click Add New Product. Upload clear photos on a white background, and if you can, add infographics. A keyword-rich name helps people find it, so don't call it Super Cool Cup. Call it what it is with a hook, like self-stirring coffee cup with spill-proof lid. Fill in the description with all the details and benefits so you don't get questions later. TikTok also lets you add a video to your product listing, which works like an Amazon demo video. Pick the right category because TikTok uses that to decide which audience sees it. If you have multiple colors or sizes, add those as variations so buyers don't get confused. You'll also enter the price and inventory, plus weight and shipping size. TikTok checks your shipping dimensions to make sure your rates are right. If you're packing and shipping yourself, you can use TikTok's shipping system to save money on labels. If you're working with a third-party warehouse, they'll handle the shipping costs on their side. Once all that is done, you hit save and your product is live. Step 5. Create and upload videos. TikTok is built on quick entertainment, so your marketing has to work the same way. Videos need to hit people in 2 seconds or less. Think of a hook like spilling something on purpose or cutting straight to the most shocking use of your product. Then you move into showing how it works. You don't stand there talking about it for a minute. You show it doing its thing in the first clip. When you close, you tell people exactly what to do. Grab it in the link below, or it's right here in the TikTok shop. That's it, direct and short. And don't worry about fancy filming. Some of the best performing TikToks are made at a desk with a phone in selfie mode. Being a little messy or awkward usually makes you more relatable. Raw videos beat polished ads here. Use AI like ChatGPT to help plan the hook, the demo, and the call to action. Keep posting consistently, at least once or twice a day. If you have a personal TikTok account with a few thousand followers, use that to post instead of a brand new business page. TikTok pushes content from real people more than from brand accounts. So when you act as the face of the product, you're basically affiliating with yourself. Step 6. Consider paid ads nowadays. TikTok pushes paid ads, and the main way to run them is through something called GMV Max. That stands for Gross Merchandise Value Max. Starting this summer, TikTok replaced all its old ad formats with this one system. Here's how it works. In Seller Center, you go to Marketing and then Shop Ads. You create a GMV Max campaign, choose the product, set your target ROI, and add a budget. For example, you can say you want to make $3 for every $1 spent. Then you set a daily budget, maybe $300 to start. TikTok won't blow through your budget right away. It tests videos slowly and scales what works. GMV Max automatically takes your own videos, your affiliates' videos, and even organic posts, and tries them out as ads. If one video gets clicks and sales, TikTok spends more to push it wider. If a video flops, they stop spending on it. You don't need to do heavy ad targeting or split testing. It's all automated. Step 7. Enable affiliate marketing. TikTok lets you open your product to affiliates inside Seller Center. When you click Open Collaboration, any creator can pick up your product and promote it. You set a commission rate, maybe 10 to 30%, depending on your margin. If someone makes a video and sells it, they get their cut and you make sales. It's free exposure for you. You can also set up target collaborations with specific creators, offering them higher commissions or sending them free samples. The key is managing sample requests. Inside Seller Center, you'll see creators asking for samples. Look at their past sales and how often they actually post. A creator with 100,000 followers who rarely posts after receiving samples might be less valuable than a smaller creator who posts right away. Prioritize the ones with high post rates. When you approve, TikTok automatically queues the product for shipping from your warehouse. This is a low-cost way to fill TikTok with content about your product. Every video affiliates make can also be pulled into GMV Max, which saves you money on filming. If you're earning through TikTok Shop, think about putting some of that into investing as well, so your money works in two directions and you can build wealth. If you want a way to start investing, check the link in the description for Interactive Brokers. You can get up to $1,000 of free IBKR stock when you sign up through my link. And that's a simple way to start stacking assets alongside your TikTok income. What product would you list in your TikTok shop first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe while you're there.